Welcome to CALPHAMAN, everyone. Today we have a very interesting perfume, one of the best clones available of the original ones in the market. It is called as Suits by Fragrance World, and this is a clone of YSL Tuxedo. And I am feeling very underdressed today. Anyways, guys, without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So stay tuned. So YSL Tuxedo is a really famous and a popular perfume, and also a very beautiful perfume DNA. And it is also because of that it is cloned very widely all across the world. And this is just one of the examples. You have Maison Alhambra's The Tux, and there is a perfume called Mustache by the perfume company Rojas. So I will leave a link to all of that in the description, and just for you to understand the price ranges. So YSL Tuxedo is a perfume that will cost you 25 to 30,000 Indian rupees, and Suits, the one that we are going to review today, is about 1600 rupees. And there lies the price difference and the value that these clones bargain for, and it is a really heavy bargain. So let's get right into the presentation. The original bottle of Tuxedo is as similar or as close as it gets to this one. Now let's talk about the box. Now I just kept this for you guys because I couldn't do an unboxing because I was really excited to smell this. I've smelled Roca's Mustache. I've owned that in the past. Now it's a really simple box. If you can see, Suits is written right there, the company name Fragrance World, the concentration EDP. There's a logo of Fragrance World right there. And at the back, you have the ingredients. You've got a couple of cautions, external use only. All of that. You've got the quantity 100 ml. And at the bottom, you've got the batch code, you've got the expiry. So this perfume says that it's going to expire in 2029, and it's made in UAE. That's what this is. Pretty simple box, guys. Nothing really fancy about it. Which is also good in a way, because it is very rare you see such boxes coming from the UAE. So as usual, let's throw the box. Or you want to keep it, you can keep it, but I don't really keep boxes because it takes a lot of space, and when you have a lot of perfumes, that's something you'll want to avoid. Now this bottle is surprisingly of a very high quality, and it's really heavy, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it or this video is doing any justice to it. The thickness at the bottom is almost this much, guys. It's almost an inch thick at the bottom. And also at the sides, it's got a good wall before you see the liquid. So because of that, there is a very nice U shape formed in the bottle. I really like this, guys. It's a really simple sticker, Suits, Fragrance World. That's all is there on the bottle. Now the cap. The cap is really similar to the one on the original one, and surprisingly this is also of a very high quality. It's really heavy as well, although it's plastic, but it's good plastic. And let me tell you about the sprayer or the atomizer. Spray something for you guys. It's a beautiful scent, guys. I didn't think, or I didn't know that I will like vanilla as much as I do in this perfume, or in any perfume for that matter. It's a very beautiful patchouli. It's not the earthy patchouli that you get. The Tuxedo, the original one, is also known for that. It's a very green kind of a patchouli that you can smell from the scent initially, along with a lot of spices. And what differentiates this from that? Because the original and this are almost 90+% similar. What keeps this, or what sets this apart, is there is a very high dose of vanilla, and there is a lot of sweetness to this. It's coming from the amber, a little bit of woods, and I feel there is a, imagine honey, right? There's a certain sticky sweetness of honey that you'll feel, and there is somewhat like that, the smell of this little honey kind of a smell. So if you have not smelled the original Tuxedo, or if you've not smelled Tux or any of the clones of this, you really have to try this. If you want to, I can leave links to the samples as well that you can get of the original from Splash Fragrances. He always has good quality samples of premium fragrances. Now, once you smell that, if you think that you like that kind of a DNA and you don't want to pay that much, I'm pretty sure you can get a full bottle of this at the price of a 5 ml sample that you can get for a Tuxedo scent. So it's completely worth it. If you ask me, I really love the vanilla sweetness in this. I really love the ambery honey tone to this. I feel there is a little bit of tobacco-ish note as well in this. A little bit of wet tobacco with honey, and then vanilla, amber. There's green patchouli added into this, which is giving a little bit of, I would say it's complementing these fresh notes with a little bit of that green patchouli note, if you know how patchouli smells. Now, a lot of people in today's day do not know how patchouli smells. Now, there are two kinds of patchouli. One is a really earthy kind of a patchouli, and the other one is a really green leafy patchouli. This is the green leafy patchouli in this. It is a DNA that will stand out. It will not be like what other people around you are wearing, and this is also a compliment magnet. That is why there is a lot of craze for this perfume and this DNA all around the world. Now, I'll tell you what, this also performs really well. It performs 6 to 7 hours on your skin and clothes. It stays a little bit longer on clothes if you're in a controlled environment. But I'll tell you what, it's on par with the performance of the original one, the Tuxedo. And that's what I've got from the internet. I've not owned Tuxedo. I've smelled it. One of my friend has the original one. One of the enthusiasts I've met has that perfume. I've smelled it. Now, coming to occasions when you can wear the scent is basically whenever you want to. Now, there's a really small crowd nowadays that is not working in a controlled environment. To give you an idea, this is a warm, spicy, but yet a fresh scent that you can wear every day. Now, if you'd like to, you could also wear this on a summer evening. I think I mentioned this in my last video when I was doing the video of Rasasi Egra, that I wanted an evening scent. I thought it is an evening scent. So yes, you can wear this in summer evenings. You can wear it in the daytime, in spring, winter, whatever you'd like to. It's a really beautiful scent. You can wear this all year round if you want to, because it's got that freshness. Now, to wrap it up, guys, I think I also mentioned this in my last video. These clones are getting better and better every single day. And it is not just the quality of the juice in it, it's the bottle, the packaging, and all of that. You really have to question yourself, and you really have to check if you want to buy the original one. Because a clone is always a clone. It can never be 100% as the original one. If you've got the money, buy the original. All right? But let's say you do not want to spend as much and you'd like to still smell the same, because people around you will still smell the same kind of the perfume DNA in the air. If they are very much into perfumes, if they are perfume enthusiasts, and if they are perfume nerds, basically, only then will they be able to tell the difference in the air. So you're good to go even if you have a bottle of this. So to sum it up, I really like this perfume, Suits by Fragrance World. It's a beautiful perfume. I bought it from Fragrance Heaven, but somehow it is out of stock now. I would also suggest you to buy from the links below. It's not affiliate links. I don't do that. I'll just leave Best Buy links in the description. You can go ahead and check that out. So let me know if you've smelled Suits by Fragrance World, or if you own Tuxedo. Let us know in the comments what you think about it. And as always, if you've liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.